Welcome to the next part of Module 12 of the National Education Policy 2020. Technology Use and Integration. India is a global leader in information and communication technology (ICT) and in other cutting-edge domains such as space. The Digital India campaign is helping to transform the entire nation into a digitally empowered society and knowledge economy. While education will play a critical role in this transformation, technology will itself play an important role in the improvement of educational processes and outcomes. Thus, the relationship between technology and education at all levels is bilateral. Extensive use of technology in teaching and learning, removing language barriers, increasing access for Divyang students, and educational planning and management. New technologies involving artificial intelligence, machine learning, blockchain, handheld computing devices, etc., will not just change what students learn in the classroom, but how they learn, and thus these areas and beyond will require extensive research both on the technological as well as on the educational fronts. An autonomous body, the National Educational Technology Forum (NETF), will be created to provide a platform for free exchange of ideas on the use of technology to enhance learning, assessment, planning, and so on, both for school and higher education. Some of the key roles of NETF, that is National Educational Technology Forum, are as follows: provide independent evidence-based advice to central and state government agencies on technology-based interventions, build intellectual and institutional capacities in educational technology, articulate new direction for research and innovation. The thrust of educational and technological interventions will be for the purpose of improving teaching, learning and evaluation process, supporting teacher preparations and professional developments, enhance educational access, removing language barriers, streamlining educational planning, management and administration, including processes related to admission, assessment, attendance, etc. Some of the key initiatives taken in the direction of technology use and integration are as follows. Educational softwares will be available at all levels. Softwares will be available in major Indian languages and will be accessible to all, including Divyang students. E-contents on technology-based educational platforms such as Diksha Swayam use the potential of artificial intelligence. Universities to offer PhD and master programs in core areas such as machine learning, multidisciplinary fields, AI plus X, and professional areas like healthcare, agriculture, and law. Blend these online courses with traditional teaching in undergraduate and vocational programs. Privacy and data protection. Data is a key fuel for AI-based technologies, and it is critical to raise awareness on issues of privacy, laws, and standards associated with data handling and data protection. It is also necessary to highlight ethical issues surrounding the development and deployment of AI-based technologies. Education will play a key role in these awareness raising efforts. Thank you for joining us in this part of the module. I hope the information for you to take will be beneficial for you.